One day, Boots and I were waiting for the stars to come out. I spotted the first star, Little Star.
Let's roll.
What's he doing here?
We have a truce.
I didn't even bring any weapons. Here, check my pants.
No.
It's all some evil plot, man!
That doesn't look very safe.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm having you do it.
I'm dizzy, and I have serious short-term memory loss.
I can destroy them once and for all! Don't laugh with me, Erronean.
Let's frame our statements with, when you do this, it makes me feel this.
Give me back my robot.
Or what?
That's a fair question.
The Robo-Apocalypse is nice! It's not like I'm paranoid. Stop following me!
Lucky thing I always have a plan B. No!
We're still working out a few kinks.